I heard a big bang and now there's smoke over there. I'm gonna check it out. Hey guys, so yeah, there's this crashed spaceship on fire behind me, but probably nothing to worry about. Let's check this out. I found this weird glowing rock near whatever that smoking thing is. I have no idea what it is. Well, I feel a bit funny. My eyes are glowing. Okay, you are not gonna believe this. Humans in black suits, they're everywhere down there at the crash. I gotta get out of here! They're everywhere! I'm feeling really uneasy, seriously creeped out. Something weird is happening in this forest.
I get these panic attacks when my hiding spots, they feel threatened.
Oh man, I think I'm lost. Where am I? Oh no.
Fuck this.
Greetings, Earthlings. I am Zorp,